Ever thought of a dish that combines the warmth of turmeric and the fiery kick of wasabi? Well, today is your lucky day. Imagine a chicken curry, but not just any curry. One that marries the earthy notes of turmeric with the spicy punch of wasabi. So, get ready to spice up your usual chicken curry with this exciting twist. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need chicken, turmeric powder, wasabi, onions, garlic, ginger, and coconut milk. The turmeric offers vibrant color and earthy flavor, while the wasabi adds a fiery kick. Now, isn't that a fascinating blend of flavors waiting to explode? Time to bring this flavor-packed dish to life. Let's kick things off by prepping the chicken. Ensure to cut it into bite-sized pieces for an even cook. Now we move to the magic of spices. Coat the chicken generously with turmeric powder. This golden spice not only gives our chicken a beautiful hue, but also lends it an earthy flavor. Next, let's heat up some oil in a pan. Once it's hot, toss in the chicken and let it cook until it turns a golden brown. This is where it gets really exciting. We add in our curry base, a fragrant concoction of onions, garlic, ginger, and a blend of spices. Stir it well, ensuring the chicken is well coated. Finally, the piece de resistance, the wasabi. Mix it into the curry and let it simmer. The wasabi adds a unique kick that makes this dish truly stand out. Now that's a chicken curry that will tingle your taste buds like never before. And there you have it, a unique chicken curry that combines the best of both worlds. The golden hue from the turmeric, the unexpected kick of wasabi, and the comforting aroma of curry filling the room. It's a dish that begs to be savored. With this dish, your next meal will definitely be a gastronomic adventure. Want to explore more unique recipes like this one? Delve into a world of culinary adventures, all here on our channel. Broaden your taste horizons, challenge your cooking skills, and surprise your taste buds. Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more culinary surprises.